So it's very simple. And the moment you are done signing up, it will bring you to this interface. Okay, if it brings you to this interface, this is the dashboard of MEXC. You can see it has a lot of activities. It also has a lot of opportunities to offer. Okay, if you want to see more, click on this place to see more options. One of the most fascinating thing about it is that it has a referral programs. Okay, there is also a giveaway, and there is also a supercar giveaway, and there is also a gift here for those new users. Here is your favorite. In this favorite, you see some of those coins you often try. You can see the hot tracking. The hot ranking are the trending coins. You can see the gainers, which are the ones that are profitable for the day. You can see the losers, the ones that are poor in the market currently or at that particular day, and so on. You can see the new, and you can see also the 24 hours volume change. Okay, you can see down here there is market, there is trade, and also there is feature, and there is also wallet, which are here. This is the home. This is the home. We're already here. This is the market. This is the trading. This is the feature, and the other is assets. So how do we deal with this? If you go to the market, this is where you find a lot of those coins you can trade on. You find a lot of those coins, all those coins that are available on MEXC in the market. Okay, you can find all those coins here. There's there's Lunar, there's SOO, TRX, XRP, US, LTC, and so on. Okay, but what happens in the trade? In the trade, this is where you trade this particular coin of your choice. Okay, as you can see, I do believe that a lot of us knows how to trade, but I will also briefly work on this because we always have new persons on this channel, and we also have beginners also always on this channel. So all you just need to do, this is where you can trade on MEXC. How can you trade on MEXC? You can come to this place to either click on buy, if you wish to buy, and click on sell if you wish to sell. You can only buy when you don't have the coin yet, or you can have the coin and also choose to buy more. You can come to this place to click on sell. You can only sell, remember, when you have the coin. Okay, you can only sell when you have the coin. Whatever you purchase here, the quantity will show here. This place is the current market rate at which you're going to buy. Okay, and this place will show you the total USDT you put in the market. If you want to see the candles, you can come to this place to check the candles. You can come to this place to check the candles. The candles shows you the ups and down of the particular coin. Remember, this is the current rate. All right. Okay, let's look at it carefully. Let's look at the candle. If you look at the candle, you see the ups and down of this coin. You see how this coin has been doing, how it has been going up and down. Okay, you can all see that here, and it's also going up again. So these are the candles. All right, so that's all for this. If the coin is in positive, which is rising, you see it here. It's currently +1, but it was doing far well in the past few hours. Okay, and if it's also losing, you see it here. This place of plus will be minus. If you see +10, that is, has increased by 10%. If you see -10, it has decreased by 10%. Right? Okay, taking your eyes to the up here, you see a 24 hours high, which was 3.7899. You see the 24 hours low, which was this 3.54, sorry. You can see also the 24 hours volume, which was 15.133 million. And the 24 hour volume in USDT was 54.85 million. All right. So if there is any question you have, do not forget, drop it at the comment sections and I'll attend to you ASAP. All right. So let's move to the next. The next here is the feature. A lot of us might have heard about feature trading. All right. The feature trading allows you to make a lot of profit by giving you what? By giving you a lot of leverage. Okay. What is this leverage? Leverage is when you have something to be added. Leverage is when, like, you borrowed something is lent to you. All right. Maybe you have 10 USDT and you come to use leverage of 10 here. Leverage of 10 here, 10x. This will make this your 10 USDT, 100 USDT instantly to trade. And if you trade with this, you are also trading with a greater risk, because the moment something is lent to you, your money can easily be liquidated. And also, if it move towards your predictions, you will make a lot of profit on time. Okay, you make a very huge profit if the predictions go towards, if the trade go towards your predictions, you'll be able to make a huge profit. Okay. All right. So all you just need to do is to watch carefully and know what exactly you stand to trade on future. Because on future trading, this will be in my next class though, I will make a video regarding spot trading, the difference between the spot trading and the future trading on MEXC. Okay, I will talk about that because the future trading is a bit large and I do not wish for this video to be too long. All right, so let's go to the next, which is the assets. In the asset, as the name implies, this is where you see your total income, your total volume of assets, and so much more. Okay, in the assets here, there is spot trading, there's future trading, there's fiat, which is your local currency, there's also copy trading. Okay, here in the total asset, this is where you find your total volume, your total balance. In here you find what is in spot only. In here you find what is in future trading only. And in this place you find what is in fiat, which is your local currency. And in this place it shows only your copy trading. If you want to deposit, you click here. On an occasion you want to deposit from another wallet, like you want to deposit from Bybit or Binance. All right, when deposit from Bybit or Binance, you can click on this place to deposit. Click on this place to withdraw if you want to withdraw from MEXC to any other exchange, and click on transfer to transfer this money from one place to another within the MEXC. Okay, within MEXC. All right, that is, you want to transfer from spot trading to future trading, or from future trading to fiat copy trading and the others, but mostly it's from spot to future or from future to spot, right? So if you want to get your wallet address here, you can come to this place to click on copy. Okay, click on copy. You choose which one you want to do. Is it on P2P? But on this now, we're going to do what? To deposit crypto, which will allow us to copy our wallet address to take it to another exchange to withdraw. Okay, or P2P trading and buy crypto. These are the three methods which you can fund your account on MEXC. First is the crypto, second is the P2P, And third is the buy crypto. It supports MasterCards and the others, but not everywhere. Okay. So if you click on this, it will now give you the opportunity to choose what exactly you want to deposit. Is it USDT, BTC, ETH, TRX, or SOO? Okay. It gives you the opportunity to choose which one among these. If it is in USDT, which is very famous, popular, you come to this place. You see it network is on Tone Coin. It's on BNB Smart Chain. Alright? But what do you need to do? All you just need to do is to focus on this place. TRX. Because most of those exchanges we withdraw from is in TRX. Alright? It takes just 1 minute, 5 seconds. Just 1 minute, 5 seconds, and your fund will reflect. So coming to this place, all you just need to do is to click on your wallet. Since we are using TRX wallet, you come to this place to click on copy. Okay, you come to this place to click on copy. All right, the moment you copy your wallet address, then you can just take it to any exchanges you want to deposit from, and that will be all. Okay, and that will be all. So if you want to withdraw, same thing applies. You get a wallet from any other exchange, same way as we do this. Okay, you get a wallet from any other exchange. You choose what exactly you want to withdraw. All right, USDT, if you're withdrawing USDT globally, it has the lowest fees. Transfer crypto to wallets or other exchanges. All right, you can come to this place as usual, click on confirm, choose your network, which is TRX, choose your withdrawal quantity, and withdrawal remarks. It's optional. Okay, it's optional. You can withdraw from 1 USDT, withdrawal amount 200,000 USDT maximum. All right. So in this place is to transfer from one place to another. You can say it from sports to future or from future to sports. It's very simple.